it is time for your top 10. Number 10 is Men's Warehouse, down almost 1% as it rejects a $2.3 billion cash takeover offer from Joseph A. Bank. Men's Warehouse says the bid undervalued the company and wasn't in the best interest of investors. It's also adopting a poison pill plan.
Well, Citrix is dropping 12% today as the cloud computing company warns investors that its third quarter revenue and profit will miss the estimates. CEO Mark Templeton says he's disappointed by the results, but remains confident about the company's strategy. What else is he going to say?
That's right. Number 8 is PVR, jumping about 11%. The company is being bought by Regency Energy Partners for about $3.9 billion in stock and cash. The transaction, expected to close in the first quarter, will expand Regency's natural gas transport and processing capabilities. And they also, the company's management, had positive things to say about their own companies. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
All right, number 7 is Gilead, up 6%, rising the most in 5 months after the biotech company reported successful results from a trial of an experimental cancer treatment. The company says patients benefited enough from the cancer drug to end a late-stage study early.
At number 6, Office Depot and Office Max both are up. Janie Montgomery raising its rating on the two stocks to buy. The firm says that estimated merger-related savings should continue to grow as soon as the retailers close on their deal. Office Depot and Office Max agreed to a $1.2 billion merger back in February.
Number 5 is L Brands. I'll never be comfortable with the new name for Limited, but it is, of course, the owner of Victoria's Secret, moving 4%. The company says that sales at stores open at least a year climbed 1% in September, but fell short of Wall Street's estimate of a 2% increase. L Brands has been forced to be more promotional amid sluggish traffic, soft economic growth, and a horrible name change.
You know what was responsible for the shortfall?
What?
The company whose products you're looking at right now. That was the weak link.
People are buying up Victoria's Secret?
Yes.
That is hard to believe.
Maybe it's lost some of its luster after its owner changed its name from Limited, which sounds exclusive, to L Brands, which sounds generic.
Or are people just are they looking for the next new thing?
Is it not considered now sort of a cheaper, like lower shelf product, Victoria's Secret? You've got all these higher end Palmers and Wolford, all these higher agent provocateur.
Wolford versus Victoria's
Matt Miller, quite the
By the way, how do you know that?
I just know. I know about
Spanish girlfriend?
Oh my gosh, I don't want to know how you know that. I'm moving on to number 4.
Let's move on.
Yeah, get us out of here.
Climbing 2% after its board approved an additional $2 billion buyback. The satellite radio company says that it will fund the repurchases through available cash, future cash flow from operations, and future borrowing.
Best Buy shares up about 7% today, gaining the most in 7 weeks. ITG Investment Research says the retailer's U.S. same-store sales this quarter tracking about Wall Street's estimates. Best Buy stock at this, it's up 230% this year. Hubert Joly, the CEO, is on fire.
Netflix, number 2, up about 5.5% as Needham starts coverage on the stock with a buy and a $425 price target. The firm says Netflix should be a primary beneficiary of the rapid growth of internet video over the next several years.
And our number 1 stock of the day, Teva, up more than 3% after announcing it was cutting its workforce by 10%. Teva plans to eliminate about 5,000 employees, mostly by the end of next year, as part of a restructuring designed to slim the drug maker's business and make it more efficient.